This is Boss Man from Swing Trade Snipers, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, we want to show you guys on demand on Thinkorswim. We use the Thinkorswim platform because it allows us to do some tricks in here that a lot of platforms can't do, that I've learned, and what I've put together. This is a big part of it, and what we want to do is we want to show y'all guys about the on-demand. Okay, the reason why we want to show y'all the on-demand is because this is going to help your trading so much. Because if I'm showing y'all some things in my videos and y'all don't believe me, all you have to do is come over to on-demand. I'm gonna expand this right here, and this is on-demand, as you can see right here. They give you $100,000 money. You can reset it over here, reset the time, reset the account. Okay, so I reset the account. Watch this turn from 96,000 to 100,000. Okay, so now if you reset the day, the time, it's just going to reset the day to a date right here. It takes you back in the past. Okay, you click on the date and you can go back to any day that you wanted to in the past. Okay, to practice trading. So what you can do is real simple. You turn it off and on by clicking on the word on demand. All right. You can do this. Okay, this is the regular screen right here. All right. You can scroll back on days and see what day you want to trade. And you might say, okay, I like this day right here. You go over here and look and see what day it is. Okay. And then you say 320. So you go on demand. You go to the date. Okay, and if whatever date that was, if it's 320, you go back to 320 and you hit go. And what's going to happen, as you see right here, is going to go back to that day. So now you can trade that day as if it was the real day. Don't let nobody tell y'all that this is not true. Okay, I've been practicing this for years. This is how I practice. You go back to these days as if it was your day, and as you see, it's going to start moving. Okay, when it does start moving, because it's a time delay and it takes time to build up depending upon the stock you have in here. Like for instance, I trade SPY, right? SPY has a lot of people go to SPY, so it might move a little slower, you know, depending upon whatever you trade, but it works if you got a fast computer. So my point is now, right, you're on the day that you want to be on. You're doing what you want to do. You see what you want to see. The stock is going, whatever you want to do. So now you say you're trading on this day. Now what you do is you can go get your contracts now. You can go over here and you go get your contracts as if it was your regular day and practice it. You want to practice how much you would have made if you got a contract on the 23rd of March. You go in here, you get that contract, whatever you want that to be. Okay, you put it in on your however you do it, your whatever list you use. I use mine's calls and puts. Okay, SPY calls. Okay, now for me, okay, the call went in, the put is here. Okay, both of them are here. So now look, the stock done started. So now if you want to trade this, you're going to trade it the way you want to trade it now, as if it was your regular day. This is my point. This is what you want to do. So now if you want to know right here, right, it's going down. So if you think it's going to go down, well, we kind of know it's going to go back up. But let's say we're going to get in the trade right here. These contracts is $5.86. You got your ladder here, if you know what you're doing, right? You want to know how much it's going to be if you buy 5 of them? You see that? I just brought it. And now my net liquidity right here, see, $3,000. That's how much it would, that's if you took the trade. Now you sit here and you watch it as if it was a regular trade. Do y'all get it? So now you can trade any way you want to do it. You can now practice. When I tell y'all the certain things that I tell y'all about my contracts and what I get, it's because I'm coming over here and I can now see if I get come over here and I trade a daily contract, right, in the money versus a 47-cent contract or something small, and I'm comparing them. Let's say if I want to compare them, okay, and I say, okay, I'm going to come over here. Now I can compare those two contracts and see how they run per daily, weekly, whatever. You can mix it up. Think about it. Just like it was a regular day, okay? You see right here, I'm down $60. I put up, you see what I put up, my net liquidity? You can change it the same way you want to customize this stuff. Everything can be done in here the same way as if it was a real trading day. So that's what we want to do. We wanted to show you guys how it works, all right? Use your on-demand on Thinkorswim if you can, if you know how to do it. I'm going to make other videos showing y'all about Thinkorswim, but you know, if you need help, get back with me and I'll help you guys. We're here to help you, all right? We're here to help your trading. I want to give y'all what was given to, well, honestly, I spent a lot of money to learn a lot of the things I learned, but also I didn't care about the money, it was the time. Because I always said, if I get this, I got a skill for the rest of my life. So that's why I want to give it back to you guys so y'all don't have to go through what I went through with the anxiety and all that kind of brain stuff and all that, you know. But we here now, so God, if the Lord blesses us, like I believe he will, we're all going to get this. See how we up right now, $75. Do that one in real quick, you know, because we knew that was going to go up. Swing trade snipers, baby, 85. But just, you know, we just want to show y'all about on demand. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll get back with you guys. This is Boss Man for Swing Trade Snipers saying, I holla.